Hello Susaman, I am Linda and I am from the German department of Nidus Academy. So today we are going to learn about a simple and a useful word and a connector in German, that is weil, which means because in English. So we used to reason out things in a daily basis. That's why I said it's really important. For example, let's say, I'm not coming to school today because I'm sick, or I'm not coming to work today because I'm tired. Like I've said, we use these excuses in a daily basis. So let's move into it. So we use while in order to connect an action with a reason. Let's take an example. I stay at home because it is raining. What is the action here? The action is I stay at home. And the reason is because it is raining, right? So let's see how we write it in German. Ich bleibe zu Hause, weil es regnet. And you can see how we put while in the sentence. So first we put the main clause or the action. That is, I stay at home, which is Ich bleibe zu Hause in German. Then we put the connector. That is while. Then we put the subordinate clause. That is es regnet. It is also the reason in this sentence. So there is one thing that you should be careful about when you write while in a sentence. That is, when you write a subordinate clause after while, you should always put the verb, that is the conjugated verb of subordinate clause, at the end. It should always come at the end. For example, let's take, I eat pizza because I have hunger. That is, ich esse Pizza weil ich Hunger habe. Ich esse Pizza is the main clause, that is the action, and the reason for that is I have hunger. And we write it as ich Hunger habe, not ich habe Hunger. Instead we write it as ich Hunger habe, because when you use while, the conjugated verb in the subordinate clause should always come at the end. So I would like to say one more example. So let's say he learns German because he wants to work in Germany. That is, lernt Deutsch, weil in Deutschland arbeiten will. Here, lernt Deutsch or he learns German is the main clause. That is the action. Then we use while. Then we use the subordinate clause or the reason. What is the reason here? He wants to work in Germany, while in Deutschland arbeiten will. And as you can see here, the verb or the conjugated verb, that is will, is put at the end. That is, we should always put the conjugated verb of the subordinate clause that comes after while at the end. Thank you for Zuschauen, and I hope this helped you to understand while better. So auf Wiedersehen, tschüss.